In three, two, one. How was I to know? It's a crazy thing. I showed you my hand and you still let me win. And who was I to say that it was meant to be? The road that was broken brought us together, and I know you could fall for 1,000 kings and hearts that would give you a diamond ring. When I fold, you see the best in me, the Joker and the Queen. And I've been played before, if you haven't guessed. So I kept my cards close to my foolproof vest. But you called my bluff and saw through all my tells, and then went all in, and we left together. And I know that you think what makes a king is gold, palace and a diamond rings. When I fold, you see the best in me, the Joker and the Queen. I know you could fall for 1,000 kings and hearts that would give you a diamond ring. When I fold, you saw the best in me, the Joker and the Queen, the Joker and the Queen. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for The Joker and the Queen by Ed Sheeran and Taylor Swift on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics show me that over 70% of people that watch these videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please, please, please double check that you've hit that red subscribe button. If it is red, then click it. It will turn gray and you'll be part of the Uke fam. It is free. Please tell your friends, your family members, your dogs, your pets, your neighbors, your uncles, your grannies, everybody to subscribe. We are 1,000 subscribers away from 100,000 Uke fam members on this channel. Again, it is free, so please make sure to double check that the subscribe button is gray. If it is red, click it. It will turn gray and you'll be part of the Uke fam. Thank you so much for all your support. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, it is an Enya tenor ukulele. It's solid mahogany. I'll leave a link down below. I'll also leave a link to the concert size uke of this version. This is, again, the tenor, so it's a little bit bigger, but they do have a concert size. Links for that will be down below. One thing I love about Enya is that not only are they beautiful and also high quality and sound absolutely amazing, but they are also super affordable. So if you're in the market for an awesome, solid, beautiful looking and sounding uke that won't break the bank, I highly recommend Enya, so link for that will be down below. Also talking about links down below, links to the merch, currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie and the Uke Fam hat. That's the logo for this channel. If you want to support this channel, that will be down below. Also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And also please, please, please leave your comment recommendations, your recommendations in the comments down below. I love hearing what you want to see on this channel or want to learn in the future in videos. So leave those down below. I can't speak anymore, so it's time for me to go. But thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. The Joker and the Ricky.